Can you think of a tech giant or a social media platform that rose to fame without bombarding you with ads? Today, we're talking about how Discord makes money and their plans for 2024 as they go IPO. So, let's dive into their journey from a small app for gamers to a big name thinking about going public. So, Discord came out in 2015, wanting to be a special place for gamers to chat and hang out. They didn't want to annoy users with ads. Instead, they had a cool idea to make money by offering extra features for a small price. Back in the day, Discord was just another app trying to get the gamers' attention. But they had something special, a place that felt just for gamers without any ads popping up. People loved it because it was fast, very organized, easy to use, and free. Instead of showing ads, Discord lets you use it for free but offers a paid version called Nitro. So, Nitro gives you cool extras like sending big files or having a better video resolution. They also have a shop where you can buy fun stuff for your profile. People are able to send text messages, share multimedia files to a channel with thousands of members easily. That's Discord for millions of messages. But how do they do it? Discord first picked up a trick from Twitter called Snowflake, which allows you to give each message its own special ID so that it never gets lost. Then they had to make sure Discord could keep up with the chatting without crashing. They used Cassandra DB at first, which was pretty good, but got overwhelmed when too many people were talking at once. So, they switched to something even better called Scylla DB. Since completing the migration in May 2022, Discord's messaging database has seen remarkable improvements, according to the team working behind the scenes. With fewer nodes and increased disk space per node, the database is now operating smoothly, eliminating the need for constant firefighting and maintenance. Looking ahead, Discord is thinking about going public in 2024. This step is huge because it shows how far they've come from a simple app for gamers to a big platform for everyone. So, Discord's story is all about being smart and different. So, what's in the future for Discord? We'll have to wait and see, but it's definitely going to be exciting.